How to check balance on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Pay tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can check balance on Google Pay. So let's go ahead. The first step is for you to open the Google Pay application on your device. And then once you've launched the application, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select payment methods. And then on the payment method page, the next step would be for you to choose the bank account for which you would want to check the balance. Now, for you to want to do that, you have to ensure that you've added your bank account and any kind of payment method already. Because for me, I have not added any, and so I cannot check my balance. But for you, just choose the bank account for which you want to check the balance by choosing the bank account to be taken to the bank accounts page, and then on this page, your balance will be displayed on the screen, and then you will be able to view your bank account balance directly from Google Pay. So that's cool, right? Yeah. So go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.